Hi, I'm Tina Patterson, clinician with a mission, and I'm here in the Smoky Mountains enjoying some rest and relaxation, and it's almost fall, and I was thinking, wow, things used to be really hectic for me in the fall when my kids were younger. You know, with starting school and the extracurricular activities on the weekends. But now things are different because I've learned how to incorporate self-care into my daily routine. And what that looks like for me is I make sure I get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. It keeps my brain fresh and creative for the next day. I also make sure I carve out at least 15 minutes for breakfast. I used to skip breakfast when my kids were younger, thinking I was just taking care of them. But now I make sure I have an egg or a piece of chicken with some fruit, and that actually helps me resist sugar temptations during the day. And then by the end of the day, when I'm dragging and feeling low, I need to make sure I bring back in some more self-care for about 20 minutes. So I read something in my favorite book, or go for a walk, or do some yoga, but I'm doing something just for me. What I found is that when I fill myself up, I'm able to give out to others in a very meaningful way. So how do you take care of yourself during the week? Let me know on my Facebook page, Clinician with a Mission, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon.